Good morning, Assembly 10 student. Listen here, very important point. I am going to explain you the chapter 21D. First of all, the question is not coming directly from 21D. It is only to do the practice how you will see the value in the table which is given in your book, and in examination hall the book will be provided to you to see the table. So in that table you have to write the value after seeing the table. What is it? It is other than the standard angle in trigonometry. Means 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree are the standard angle. So this angle value you know. Other than this angle, suppose 57 degree. How will write the previous side 57 degree value? 57 degree and 24 minutes. How will write this value? For this, you will provide an answer from the table, and it is also given in your book. I will show you just now how to see the value and you have to write the value. And one more point. What total value is given in the question? You have to write the total value. I mean, take the value of sine is 57 given, 0.3678. All you have to write 0.3678. Don't write only 2 up to 2 digits. So all the value you have to write. And in table, one more important point is there. You will get the value of a square root and cube root value is also given in the table. I mean, suppose you have to find what is the square root of 57. You can see the table and you will have to write the value. Cube root, also the cube root. Suppose 32 cube root you have to find. See the table and write the value, what is the cube root of 32. Similarly, reciprocal value is also given. Reciprocal means, suppose 1 by 7 value you have to find. You will divide 1 by 7, then you will write. It is also mentioned in the table. Now where is table? See this table. This is a square root from 1 to 10 given. Column are there. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So a square root of 1 to 10, a square root of 1 to 100. This is given in the table form. Then the table given natural sine. Now suppose you see here, very important. Natural sine, natural cosine, natural tangent is given. So only 3 are the fundamental: sine, cos and tan. So that's why given. And other cosec and sec and cot is the reverse of each other. Means cosec is the reverse of sine, sec is the reverse of cos, and cot is the reverse of tan. Now here, see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This 11 column are given. That is natural sine, sine value. Then mean difference is given. So how we will see the value? Suppose you have to find sine 18 degree, 1, 8. Sine 18 degree. This value. So 18 degree is here in the extreme left column. 18 degree. 18 degree value you will see in the 0 minute. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All these 10 column you have means multiple of 6. 0, 6, 12 minutes, 18 minutes, 24 minutes, 30 minutes, 36 minutes, 42 minutes, 48 minutes and 54 minutes. It is mentioned. But you have to find the sine 18. 18 degree you will see in the 0 column. What is the value of 0 column? 0.3090. 0.3090. This is the value of sine 18 degree. Now where you have to find sine 47 degree? How will you find? So find, since in this the multiple of 6 minutes are given. So 47. You have to see just before 47. Don't see after 47. So 47 before will be 42. So now where is 47? See this thing. 47 here. Here 47. You will see the sign 47 degree in 42 column. 8. Once again, you have to find 47 degree value. How will you find? See the extreme left column in the natural sign. Where is 47? 47 is here. So first of all, we will see the values 47 degree into sine 42, because 42 is before 47. After that 48 is given, that is after 47. So you have to see the before one, not the last one. So 47 degree in 42 column, how much is given? 7396. 7396. 8. Then what is the difference left? I have seen 47 degree in 42 minutes. This value is 7396. Then 5 is left because 5 is more. That 5 we will see in the mean difference column. So what is the mean difference column in 5-1? 5-1 is given 10. So we have to add this value. 6, 10, 4, 7. We have to put the decimal here. Why decimal? Because you know the maximum value of sine is sine 90. Sine 90 is 1. Less than 90 degree, it will be in the decimal form. Here it is 47 degree. So less than 1 means it will be decimal. So sine 47 degree into 42 minutes is 7396 given. Then 5 is more. So 5, that 5 will see in the mean difference column. Then value is given 10. It will be added. 6 plus 6, 10, 4. And then you have to write 0.7406. This is the value. Do you follow? So one more example here. Suppose you have to find cos 43 degree. So cos 43 degree, then we will see this one cos, natural cosine. Natural cosine value is 42, 42 is here. 43 is here. 43 and the mean difference column is 42. So 42 we will see. 43 in 42 degree. What value given? 7230. 7230. 8. Then 1 is left. 1 because 43 is there. So we have seen the 43 degree 42 column, that is 7230. One more. So what for one more we will go in mean difference column. So what is the value given in one mean difference column? 2 here. Now what we will do in case of cos? We will subtract. The mean difference value will be subtracted here. What value? 10, 8, 2, 2, 7. Why? Because listen here. Cos 0, sin 0, 0, sin 91. Then cos 0, 1 and cos 90, 0. It means the value of sine is increasing from 0 to 90. But in case of cos, the value is decreasing from 0 to 90. That's why cos 0, 1 and cos 90, 0. So that's why we have to subtract the mean difference value in the cos. 8. So, and what is the value then? Value will be 0.7228. Similar case in the tan table. Tan also, the mean difference value will be added. Why? Because tan value also tan 0, 0 or tan 90 infinite. So increasing from 0 to 90. So wherever in which trigonometric function the value is increasing, we have to add the mean difference value. Where it is decreasing, we have to subtract the mean value. So I mean sine and tan cos we have to add the mean difference value. But in cos we have to subtract the mean value. This will you have to use when you will solve the question of height and distance of trigonometry, where other than the standard angle is given, you have to see the value or have to write the value. Thank you.